Okay, we're in Word 2007 and we're going to talk about some of the basic text formatting options. And these are all found under the Home tab, and where you'll see the font selected and the size. Underneath that, you are going to see 7 different basic styling options. The first one we're going to show is bold. So I'm going to highlight the word bold. Then I'm going to come up here and select B. So as you can see, that makes it stand out from the regular text. The next one is going to be italic. I'm going to go back up, and then I'm going to choose the second option. And as you can see, it makes it kind of slant forward. Next one's underline, which is fairly self-explanatory, but if you're unaware, in 2007 you can also choose what type of underline you want, not just a standard line, but we're going to go ahead and just choose the standard line for now. Next one, which is less commonly used, but it can be used if you're editing someone else's text, or you're kind of wanting to show how to make a correction, things of that nature. Some people do use strike through, which is that fourth option, and as you can see, it line through the text. Sub and superscript, the next two. Subscript is probably less common for most people, but what it does is it will shrink it and put it just below the line. Superscript would be more common, like if you're doing square footage, things of that nature. You can use the second to last option here up above, and put it up above the line, which again, I'm going to put the feet squared instead of typing it all out, and put FT2 and then put the 2 up above, and we'll just put an example of that. We'll undo this so it doesn't keep doing it in superscript. We'll go feet squared, and it doesn't look like a squared unless you put it in superscript. So as you can see, nice little effect, makes it nice and clean, especially when doing brochures. The next one we're going to do is case and font change. Again, this one has a little drop down to the right. Sentence case is what kind of by standard. Lowercase is if you have anything in uppercase and you want to put it all in lower. Or the opposite, if you want to put it all in uppercase. We'll click that now so you can see it. If you're wanting, and this one's nice, especially if you're doing bullet point presentations, if you don't want to finagle going each letter, you can choose capitalization each word, which will make just the first letter of each word capitalized. The bottom one is toggle case, which essentially does the opposite of capitalizing the first letter. It capitalizes everything but the first letter. So we're going to just put this to uppercase and leave that there. So there's some basic font editing. Hope that's helped. Please go up to request tutorial if you want any additional information on this, or you just this has you thinking of something else you'd like to see a tutorial on. Thank you.